fire up the GMC. Unfortunately, the tractor got stuck, so... See the paint that I still haven't wiped off the windshield from when I sprayed the hood. It's all blotchy. Let's go over and try to get the tractor out. Oh, you can see it down in there. Alright, the tractor is stuck down here. Unfortunately, I didn't do it, but it's easy if you go in here. Not that buried. This side is worse though. You can see there's some water down in there. Wait, oh. Yeah, there it goes. Got a bed of rocks in there, boards under the front tires. The loaders lifted the front of the tractor up so we could slide the boards under. The truck's hooked on, we got the chain on so I can use the puller. The truck won't actually pull anything. It's on a downgrade and it's rear drive, so that's not really going to help. We just use it as dead weight. So I've got some boards under there. Some steel ramps, some rocks in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, sucking it under. Draw it back down, which it is. Oh yeah, it's out. Yeah, tried to get through the trail, and then that was it. Got stuck in here. Yeah, so these work really well. The tractor is out. That was pretty easy. It only took about a half hour. All we used was some shovels, and we'll take a look in the back of the truck. I have the ramps. These are just like an ATV ramp. They work with the car dolly too. I have a jack all. That jack's really only good for tractors and old cars that have bumpers. I just have some wood ramps. They come along, so they're good for 2 tons. And I've got 2 of them in here. And you can get those pretty cheap. I've got a big pile of chain in here. Alright, let's get out of here.